Everyone, good day. Today in this video I will be showing you how to use Maatopup application or Maatopup website. If you have you log into the Maatopup through browser, you can go to Play Store and download our application. The name of the application is Maatopup SME. So the first thing you are going to do after you registered, you need to log into your account. So after you log into your account, you click on Fund Wallet, that is Fund. You click on here. So after you did that, you copy one of the account numbers and transfer the money into. If you copy this for one of these four account numbers, that is the Fidelity or Money Point, Wema Bank or Sterling Bank. If you transfer the money into one of these accounts, the money will automatically enter your wallet. But if you use this manual, that is the last one, you need to send the receipt to me on WhatsApp and send your registered email address. That is the email address you use to register on Maatopup, so that I will fund you manually. So after you fund your wallet, the next thing you are going to do, let me go back to menu, home page. So the next thing you are going to do is to click on this eye icon. This eye icon, click on it to confirm if your money is there. As you can see, my money is there. So after that, you scroll down. If you want to buy airtime, you click on airtime. If it is MTN, click on MTN. Let me click on MTN. As you can see, you need to select the network here, so you can click it from here. Click any network you want. Let's say you want to buy MTN, you click on it. Then you select the type of network you want to buy. It is B2 already, so you put the number you want to transfer the MTN the airtime to. This is the number. As you can see, it has been verified as MTN number. As you can see, the green tick is there. So enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 15 naira airtime. You can buy from 15 naira and above. So if you scroll down again a little bit, you will see the amount you will be charged. As you can see, my account is a vendor account, so they are supposed to make this video using subscriber account. But by the way, as you can see, I will be charged 48, is it 48? Yeah, 48.5 naira. That is 3%. But for subscribers, the charges, okay, the discount is 1%. So you will see 1% here, and here you will see 49.5 naira. So that is it. I'm using this account because I have a website. So if you registered as a new user, your account is subscriber, not vendor. But you can upgrade to agent account if you wish. So you click on buy buy airtime. If the number is 091, you click on this disable number validator. If you are sending airtime or data, you need to click on this to check it. Check number disable number validator. Because if you did not check it, the system will not recognize the number, whether it is MTN or not. It will tell you that the number is not that network. So you need to check on it. But make sure you confirm that the number is MTN if you select MTN, or the number is Airtel if you select Airtel. You click on buy airtime. They will ask you, are you sure you're about to purchase an MTN airtime of 50 naira or on phone number 006? Do you wish to continue? You write yes. You click on yes. After you click on yes, you need to enter the PIN. Me, I have disabled the PIN, that is why you do not see it, but you need to enter the PIN number, that is your transaction PIN, the PIN you entered when you are registering the Maatopup account. As you can see, account recharge of 50 naira was successful, and your balance is 908 naira. Select 1 GB if you want. As you can see, the recharge was successful as you are seeing the receipt. Assuming you are sending the airtime to your customer, you click on this and you want to send the receipt to the customer, you just click on, as you can see, MTN send me the alert. You just click on this view receipt, click on it. As you can see, this receipt has money, your old money and your new money. So if you click on view receipt, let me show you. As you can see, there is no money, so you can screenshot this thing and send it to your customer. Likewise, let me go back to the menu again, to the home page, sorry. This is airtime, but if you want to buy data, is the same. Let me click on buy data. Let me click on Airtel. You select on the first thing you need to do is to select the network. You can click it here. As you can see, it has changed to Airtel, or you click on this network and change it to Airtel or MTN or Glo, any network you want. Let me select on Airtel. After that, you click on data type. Yeah, I am sending corporate, so you click on corporate. You select the data plan. As you can see, 1 GB is what, 250 naira. So if you want to transfer 1 GB to your Airtel line or someone or your customer line, you select 1 GB, 2 GB, or any amount you want. As you can see, we have 300 MB again, this one, and it is 130 bar. Yeah, and we have 100 MB. You can select it. Let's say I'm sending 100 MB because I have enough data on my Airtel line. So let me click on 100 MB. You put write the number 081 29 15 60 92. If it is not available, as you can see, the network ID or the system has identified the network as Airtel. If you're sending the data to 091 number, that is 091, you need to check on this disable number validator, as I have shown you when you are sending airtime to. You click on continue that. When you read this one, and make sure that the plan you are sending is correct. You select on, you click on yes and enter your PIN. Then it will, after you enter your PIN, the transaction will go successful. As you can see, the amount of data has the transfer has gone successful. You can scroll and view the receipt. As you can see, the data has already entered the account. The transfer is almost instant. If you did not see the transfer, or you send the data airtime and you did not see it, so it might be a network issue, because here it will start processing instead of showing you successful. So that is it. And if you want to buy, you can buy you can buy TV subscription, that is the STV Go TV subscription. The charges, I think, is 10 naira. Yeah, you can buy exam pin and also electricity pin for prepaid and postpaid too. You can buy it. The electricity charges is 50 naira. So that is it. If you want to check the transactions you have made, you click on these transactions and you will see the transaction. If you want to check the price, I told you are a subscriber, not agent, not vendor. So you can click here and check it. This is your profile page, and this is contact page. If you want to contact admin, even though the WhatsApp icon is there. And if you want to upgrade to agent, you can click on here, and the service fee, I think, is either 15 or 2000. I think it is 15. So that is, let me click on transaction and you will see. As you can see, these are the two transactions I have just made, and this one, if the transaction is successful, you will see green under it with green tick. But if it is failed, you will see red, like this one. The transaction has failed, this one, so it is failed. That is how you are going to use Maatopup data. If you have any issue, you can click on this WhatsApp icon or contact send an inquiry to the admin number. Thank you very much for listening. Have a nice day.